chinchina trying. Yapay. Shakala, shakala. Bagala, bagala. Shakala, shakala. Bagala, bagala. Munjami, 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 munjami. Shakala, shakala. Bagala, bagala. Shakala, shakala. Bagala, bagala. Munjami, 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 munjami.
Hello, madam.
Hi.
Good afternoon. Are you living in this house? Are you living in this house?
Yes, please.
Very good. Are you the landlady or landlord or tenant?
I'm the landlady's daughter.
Landlady's daughter.
Make a push show.
Very good. My name is Officer Chinchina Twain. I came from District Town Council. I work as a town council supervisor. This house has a lot of problem.
Hey.
Yes. There is a lot of refuge in this house, which is prohibited under the law of government of Ghana. Do you understand? Where is your mommy?
She has gone out.
She has gone out. Then big problem and big trouble for you.
Hey.
You see this?
Yes.
You see? Why and how can you do this at a living area?
Papa Tankas, Mpachu, yes, you.
Wash.
Oh.
What do you mean about wash? What she say?
Yes, Shin Emra.
Are you a smoker?
No, I'm not a smoker.
Then why you say?
We burn it.
You burn it. You burn it. You are saying you burn it. It's
Hey,
not.
them Pacho Chance, and I'm not from my sisters. Efia, Franca. I'm not Sophia. Papa Tankas,
I came here last time to warn you girls.
I wasn't here.
You wasn't here. Okay, very good. Madam,
No.
It wasn't me.
wasn't you too.
I saw a Tankas.
You are praying with fire, you don't know. The moment you get to court, now you go see. If you are going to face the lawyer or the judge, you will see.
Papa Tankas, yes, sir.
Hey, don't come close.
Me and the Fenia Bentino. Didn't I was with the air court?
The entire democrat court me say, or Maya yetimi also be a din huni. Sa enra we go no. It produce mosquitoes. It produce ants. It can produce elephants.
We always burn it. Oh.
Yes, I said it.
And no na me pese metin. You burn what? And na me pese metin no.
Run.
Aha, ebola so. If you burn it, the vapor and the smoke which is going, it transfer from one house to another house.
Me Pacho, ya feel.
You are fear.
Not
And now
always
one
we
thing
burn.
go.
Yes,
Huh?
not always we burn.
What are you
We
guys-
burn one day.
Yes.
3 seconds, then it dooms. Yes.
Yes.
Dooms.
Yes.
And even Christ not outside.
I suggest
It's inside
around
our house.
here.
Okay, so the smoke stand here till it dies.
Yes.
Yes. It
Are you
dies-
sure?
It
Yes.
dies 3 seconds.
The smoke don't transfer outside.
They don't travel. It dies here.
These girls are getting a lot of problems with me right now.
So you, because of the Emura there, you won't take us.
Yes.
Adakemi.
Yes. Because we don't do
We're
this.
going to face Tukuba and what?
Yes.
Hey.
Because this thing can produce mosquitoes and the mosquito can give you
Please,
a,
leave us we have net. We have mosquito net.
Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. You smart. Talk to me well. Don't touch me like that.
Mr. Thank you.
I'm here because of work. I'm not here to drink. Leave my bag. Leave it. Leave it.
A minute.
What is a minute? Madam, leave my bag.
Wait me the number my ya best
Adwuma meye. Adwuma na meye. Because flowers ni kwase fufu say. Ah. Suba be no.
Me na ho crack come.
Na ho be na ekeka wo. Ekeka wa titian. Titian fede. Hey. Oh, don't worry.
See, I have big booty sisters.
Oh, yeah.
You won't take us to go and stand in Adaka. And they will say, court rice. Beautiful girl like her.
Sister, I'm just about radio.
Court rice.
The way you girls are so beautiful. Sometimes, I don't want to come here to take you to court. Because I might.
Papa,
yes.
If you are not born, Uncle, in Sobia.
Oh,
and after drink beer, if you're afraid,
you
will call school or your massage, and massage.
No cry, no, my point, you want on a high last hour. Oh, and yet, then one line up, one line up for now. Line up.
They be big, small.
No, you line
smaller.
So, yeah, no, okay.
So we match.
Yeah, match. Follow. Oh, the business is good. I won't come here again to do anything controversial.
Papa, thank you.
Yes, ladies. Oh, I like the way you girls are doing everything.
Yes.
Yeah.
Me, my sisters. Hey, I'm eating on them.
Yeah, they are happy.
I'm using them for job.
Yeah.
Yes, you see.
Allah. Go, big booty girl. Get. Big booty girl. Get. Big booty girl. Get.
I'm putting one. Any bomb?
Pick it up.
Say on person or do Nibana Bema. What have you got over project? See, I'm out. So yes, I want to come in over here. Oh my God, how do you do this here? Ah,
What's the book? What's it? What's the book?
Brother.